Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. My name is Terry Spurlock. I'm here with Real Financial, and today is Mortgage Protection Monday. Guys, I want to show you something real quick. I'm going to take my marker out here and I'm going to draw us a house because mortgages, well, that's to cover your house, right? We got to have a mortgage most of the time to buy homes. All right, so there's our little house here, as you guys can see. Now, a lot of times the house represents most families. And most families, this is the largest financial commitment that a lot of families are going to have to take. Now, most mortgages, well, all mortgages means what? It means they owe somebody some money. Most mortgages, on average, cost $250,000. Now, let's say this: most families takes them 20 to 25 to 30 years to pay this off, right? Okay. Now let's look at the next part here. The next part I want to show you is this. It's you guys, the families. We'll draw our little stick people. And as you can see here, our little stick people. And this represents you guys. And so let's look at this. So now the question I want to ask you guys is this. Now, what happens if something tragically happened to the person who is making those payments? Say this person was the person who was making the payments. Say, God forbid, something awful happened to him. Say he got in a car accident, or say, he had health issues or something like that, whatever, and the good Lord decided to take him on home. And not to try to be negative to folks, but just trying to be realistic because, well, life doesn't always go according to plan, now does it? Now, the next part is this. This guy or gal was paying the mortgage. Who's paying for it now? The mortgage is now transitioned to your family. Your family is now having to be responsible for that mortgage. Most families, they can't take care of that because they didn't plan accordingly. Now, I want to show you guys this because a lot of folks tell me this: Terry, I don't want my families to have to lose their home or forced to sell their house. Terry, I don't want my kids to have to uproot and change schools. Or Terry, I don't want my family making financial decisions while they're grieving. Mortgage protection options gives them this. It isn't really about the mortgage. It's about giving your family options like stay in the home or sell it, pay off debt, replace income, or just buy them more time. And now some people ask this. They ask me, Terry, isn't this just life insurance? And sometimes, yes, but the goal is different, folks. The goal isn't if something happens to me, it's when something happens to me. So I like to ask folks this is right here. The question of the day I like to ask is this: what if something happened to you tonight? Would your family inherit a home or would they inherit a house payment? That's the question. And if you'd like a free review on what you currently have, or you don't have nothing in place and you'd like to get that taken care of, to get that stress off your mind, fill that form out below and have a person reach out and discuss your options. As always, my name is Terry Spurlock, and this has been a Mortgage Protection Monday.